Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to go ahead and use a hair dryer to create hopefully a beautiful floral piece. At least that's what I'm going for. I'm using all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints, and I'm going to go ahead and start with a nice large section over here of white. And I'm going to go ahead and move that around a little more. I'm using a Remington hair dryer. I'll make sure that the link is down in the description with the materials. All right, I'm gonna add a little more white to just some spots here that are a little bit light. Now guys, I know sometimes some of you worry about wasting paint. So underneath here, I have a silicone mat from Lowly Vefe. The link will also be in the description. And these are fantastic because you can actually peel the paint off once it's dry and use that in other projects. So I highly, highly, highly recommend that. All right, let's get in here with the colors. We're gonna have a little bit of fun here. So I'm gonna use yellow here for my center. And I haven't really tried something like this. I've been doing some recently kind of fire inspired pours, but I think this will be a lot of fun. I'm going to use some fairy spit. I don't want to use too much though. This is one of those metallics that can go a little crazy if you let it. I'm going to add some Pacific blue, just a little. And then I'm going to get in here with some pinks and purple. Actually, I'm going to go put purple next. So I'm not using too much of these cooler colors. I kind of just want them to be accent colors. And then here's some Razzle Dazzle. This is a nice deep magenta. I'll use quite a bit of that. And then I have some electric pink. Okay, great. Now one thing I want to do here so that we don't have too many kind of stripes of colors is I'm going to take a little bit of this Razzle Dazzle and I'm going to kind of go back and forth this way. And we'll see what that does. All right, here we go again with the hair dryer. And just as a note with the hair dryer, I have it on high air and no heat, so it's on cool. Here we go. All right, I think this is awesome. The only thing I'm not totally happy with is this yellow right here. So I'm going to take a straw. Okay, went ahead and feathered out some of that pink as well. I think this is pretty perfect, to be honest. So let's go ahead and bring you in for a close-up. All right, so you can see here the yellow interacting with that. All right, so you can see the yellow here interacting with that fairy spit. We got some really fun lacing in there. You can see that fairy spit line under there, which I'm not totally thrilled about. I think next time I would use a little more graduated color there instead of a kind of a stark line. I love the pink cells up here, and those pinks combined I think are beautiful, and it going into that white makes me very happy. Lots of fun reactions. I think I could have done a little bit better on this middle section. I think I went back over it a little too much, but overall I think this is awesome. All right guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. I know this was just a little bit of a strange color combination down here. Thought I'd try it. I'm still quite happy with how that came out. I'll probably try this again with a few different colors. I'm thinking about doing a whole series on this because it's so fun and easy. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you all next time.